Hey guys, today we'll learn about discriminant. So let's see what discriminant is. Your quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. And your ABCs are the coefficient of x square, x, and the constant. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Now in this, the part inside the radical, which is b squared minus 4ac, is your discriminant. So we are saying that d is b square minus 4ac. This discriminant helps us find out the nature of the roots. So if you have an equation, you can find out whether you will have real roots or complex roots, and you can also find out if you get two real roots or one real root. Now let's say you find out the value of b square minus 4ac, and that discriminant is greater than 0. After you simplify, you end up with a positive number greater than 0. Now if you get a number that's greater than 0, you will get two real roots, because square root of a positive number is real, and you will end up with negative b plus square root of that number divided by 2a, and negative b minus square root of that number divided by 2a. So if discriminant is greater than 0, you get two real roots. And if you get the discriminant equal to 0, then what happens? Let's go back to the quadratic formula. If this part is 0, then you will end up with one real solution, because you don't have to worry about the plus or minus sign, because the number that you have after plus or minus is a 0. Negative b over 2a is just one real root or one real solution. Now if the discriminant is less than 0, means a negative number. So let's think, if we put a negative number inside the radical, you will end up with an imaginary number for this. So that means you will end up with two complex roots, negative b plus square root of that negative number divided by 2a, negative b minus square root of the negative number divided by 2a. So you will get no real roots, or two complex roots. Let's find out the nature of the roots for this equation. 2x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now I want to find out whether I get two real roots, one real root, or no real root. So in order to do that, I have to find out my discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now if you substitute your b here, that gives you 25 minus 4ac. That's 25 minus 48, which is a negative number, negative 23. Now discriminant is less than 0, then we can say no real roots for this problem.